We going over here to Chelsea Piers though. I didn't even know that Chelsea Piers was right next door to Pier 57. Like, I've been to Chelsea Piers, I walked in the area, right? But I never even been to Pier 57. See how we be missing shit? I've been all around this shit over here. It's like they got the little deck over here too. Like there's a little deck over here in the background. You guys can check that out. That's on 23rd Street. That shows you guys that. It takes you from 23rd Street, 14th Street, and all that. It takes you all the way up to about 33rd or 34th Street, some shit like that. And actually, I think they connected it where it even take you further up. So. Nah, Chelsea Piers look like, what do you call it? Woodbury Common? Look like some like shopping mall type area when you come in. Yeah. So they got the miniature golf. What is this, miniature golfing over here? Or is that a hotel? I don't know. Oh yeah, they do. All right. So they got miniature golf over here. Y'all can do that. Pier 59 Studios over there. I never even did that myself. Maybe I might come over here and check out some golf. Why not? Chelsea Piers Golf Club. So yeah, y'all. This is New York City, y'all. Chelsea Piers. So not only do you have this amazing, like this line of activities that you can do, you got the waterfront. So if y'all don't want to do the activity, y'all got the waterfront where y'all can just chill out and relax and just soak up the good air. It's still we got a few more weeks, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be extremely cold. Like, it's not gonna just go from, you know, how we think sometimes. And we still got some time to be out here enjoying the city. So this definitely a cool spot to be enjoying the city at. All right? This is Piers, Chelsea Piers. Look at this. Now, we have money like that, we be enjoying life for real, like how he doing that. You know what I'm saying? Macking for real. Well, we ain't get there yet. You know what I mean? So you gotta make good friends and shit like that. When you ain't got, you gotta make good friends with people. Like, sometimes they, you know, they show you shit. Your way through the world is through the people. You know, just gotta know how to do what you do. The Swaganese Travels Yachts Edition, man. You know what I'm saying? Swaganese Travels, the Yachts Edition. Hold on. We're not gonna do it like that. We're gonna do it like this. That's kind of cool though. I don't know how to explain what this is I'm looking at, but I know it's some type of yacht. Like a fucking triple, quadruple decker yacht. What? Like, come on, dogs. Can I get some? That's all I'm saying. I mean, just a little bit. I ain't did this yet, y'all. I ain't, you know, want to dive off the top of that shit into the water type shit. I ain't do none of that cool shit yet. That's certain shit I gotta do. Y'all want to do some cool shit like that too. Come on, man. That shit right there, that blue shit, fiery. Hold on. So y'all can really understand what I'm saying. That shit is dope as fuck. It got the beds on the front right here. I don't know if y'all can see it's beds, like it's a whole bedding area. You can sit right there, lay there. But that shit moving. Man, nice, bro. That shit. This shit got beds on it too. Lady Victoria. You know? Some things happening out here in the world, man. For real. It's sad that sometimes we miss our times with certain shit. We be letting time pass us and shit. A lot of people is miserable and depressed because they let the time slip they grasp. And I feel like I still got time to see some shit and do shit. You feel me? I feel like I still got time to see shit, do shit, and I'm gonna take advantage of why I got it now. There's gonna be a time where nigga probably can't. Just like when he's playing ball and shit. Nigga realize you nigga is getting older. Nigga can't be jumping up and down like you used to. You know what I'm saying? When you was young, you was agile. You could do all that cool shit. You gotta take advantage of the time that you got and the things that you have. The resources that you have, you gotta take advantage of that. You gotta take advantage of the fact that you can move, you know what I mean, your limbs and everything function, and you healthy, and you gotta enjoy shit before it's too late, bro. Like, for real. That's what I really gotta stress to y'all. Y'all gotta enjoy shit before it's really too late. If you don't do this shit forever, bro. Fortunately, we can't do this shit forever. You feel me? So I'll leave my footprint like this, y'all. You know what I mean? For whoever that needs to see me or whatever, my footprint will be left through my creations and shit like this. These memories that I create for myself and I create for y'all to experience with me. You feel me? That's what it's about for me. Enjoying shit. Lap of luxury is crazy though.
Yes, I was sweating.
You know, some things we just kind of, some things is dreams and reality for others. Some things are dreams for some and reality for others. All right? So, some of the things that are dreams that we can manifest and make it a reality, like a real thing, it can be a real thing. We can take it and make it a real thing. It's not far-fetched. You know what I mean? Although some things that are dreams for others are reality for others, or for reality for some, you still can attain some of it if you know, you do your right things. You know what I'm saying? Do your due diligence for yourself and getting out into the world and rubbing the right shoulders and, you know, shaking the right hands and meeting the right people. Making the right connections. You're in the right network. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully that'll help you get right in the right net worth. Feel me? The right network equals the right net worth. Usually, when done correctly. And I'm still learning this. You feel me? Still learning. So, they got this whole cool area back here where you could just hang out, chill. I don't know if you eat. Sit on the water. And this is right behind Pier 59, which is Chelsea Piers. Look at that money flying around. That money floating away. Yeah. Big money floating away over there. Enjoying themselves though. Enjoying themselves. I appreciate y'all coming along with me, man. For those of y'all that fuck with me and be coming outside with me, thank y'all, man. Because this is like incentivizing to do this, you know what I'm saying? Otherwise, I'd probably be like some of y'all that just don't want to do the shit. You just want to sit around and just do the same shit every day. So I usually gotta be like, oh no, man, fuck this regular shit. Let's go do some cool shit. Fuck that regular shit. Let's go do some fucking cool shit, nigga. The fuck y'all niggas talking about? Fuck y'all talking about, my nigga? Come on, son. Come on, son. That shit. Cool shit. I don't know where that shit was going. I'll go. Wherever that fucking shit going. Let me get a couple of dollars. I don't need a bunch of money. Give me a few couple of dollars. Wherever that shit going on, I got to move around. Couple of dollars. I'll go wherever that shit going. Nigga, take me to wherever the fuck that shit going. Where that shit going? To the other side of the planet? Come on, we out. You know what I mean? I get an airplane back though, right? I can figure out, yeah, alright, we lit. I'm outside, nigga. I'm doing this shit. Wherever that shit will go, I don't know where you ever even seen it? Hold on, time out. Let me show y'all something though. This is right here on Chelsea Piers though. I'm still here. In case y'all don't know. But this shit right here, like, shit look like the Titanic type vibes, like, type shit. Like, what year is this? This is real old school type shit right here. Shit like from the 1930s or something, like 1920s, like. What year is this right here? This shit from the 1920s though, like. Old school shit though. That shit is still lit. The Marina 3, like. I be on the Marina 3. The Marina 3, nigga. With the speedboat right here. They got a speedboat connected to their shit. Yeah, nigga. Y'all thought they was just on the Marina 3. They got the motherfucking speedboat though. We meant to see different walks of life, different cultures and shit like that. Although we are different in many ways. We're very, very similar in a lot of ways too. And seeing shit like this makes you see the similarities in how we all operate. It's just the cool shit we like to do. This shit is dope as fuck. Dope as fuck. So y'all got the parking garage out here and all that too. Peace, brother. Y'all wanna park up, bring your cars, park up, or y'all can just take the train, whatever, cab, Uber, however y'all travel. Bikes. So a lot of times this is where they be having all the city cruises and shit like that. Oh, this is a city cruise right here. So this is what these are. These are city cruises right here. So y'all could do the city cruise right here. Chelsea Piers. If you guys want to jump on one of them yachts or ships, this is Chelsea Piers 62. I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna look into it. Spirit of New York. So the Spirit of New York, y'all. All right. You guys are interested in doing something like that. The Spirit of New York, you could catch that wave there. So basically, again, this takes you right up. Well, all of you guys that's from New York City, I'm sure y'all did this before, so y'all know what I'm talking about. This is for everybody that's not from New York City that haven't seen this before. We literally right next door to like, you know, the Intrepid and all that type of stuff. The further we go up this way, like back that way is Pier 57, that's 14th Street. The further we go uptown, we'll go walking right into the Intrepid. I used to frequent over here a lot. I used to literally be out here like every day. Everybody was like, yo, where you be at? Yo, you be missing the action. I'm not really missing the action. I'm just not around the action that y'all be doing. I'll be trying to create my own action like shit like this though. That's all. That's all. They got benches over there though. But this will be another video. That'll be another video. But for now, we just left Chelsea Piers. We on the side of Chelsea Piers. It's got this little park every year. They got the waterfront over here. They got all the cool shit, man. Cool lit shit and all that. I'm just gonna mac it right here and just relax, y'all. This is Swaganese Travels. We tuning out, and that's just what it is. This is actually one of the places that I wanted to come over here and do some filming at. But they got this cool ass little sand park, beach type shit. That's the that's. I'm trying to figure. Yeah, I think it's closer to like the Battery Park though. But Battery Park is literally right here. So, but it's like a sand park over there that they got. And I really wanted to do like a photo shoot over there. I've been so busy running around trying to do some of this filming for you guys, doing this stuff that, you know, amongst other things. But haven't made it over there quite yet. Since we over here, let's go check it out at least. We still right here, man, right across the way from Jersey. As long as you're on the Hudson River, the Jersey is right across the water. So this is the west side again. For those of you that's not from New York City. You got the East River on the east side. That'll be the East River. Feel me? So, but they got all this shit over here. Oh, this is the sand park right here. I thought it was a little further down. They might have another one, I'm not sure. But this might be the one I was referring to. It's like the little beach park thing over here. This is cool. Look at this. And this is right here. Y'all got this whole view right here.